Now, you might be thinking, well, we're done, right? We just shared it with the management team. But unfortunately, there are some people on the management team who prefer hard copies. So we need to print things out. And unfortunately, it's not just as easy as pressing Control P, the shortcut key combination to print. We have to make a few tweaks before we could print this out. But I'm confident we'll be able to do that. Let's check this out. Let's now shift over to the printing worksheet, and here's a table of data, and I want to provide this to people at the offsite so they could quickly refer to how much money we earned in each one of these markets over on the side. To print in Excel, let's go up to the File menu in the top left-hand corner, and then here we can click on Print. Now, alternatively here, I'll press Escape. You can also press the shortcut key Control P on your keyboard, and this also opens up the print preview. Over on the right-hand side, we can see a preview of what the printout looks like. And here on page 1, it just shows 3 of the columns. So what happened to the rest of the columns? Well, here if I scroll down to the next page, I see the rest of the rows, and here I finally see the rest of the columns. And here I can scroll down again and again, and here I see the last columns. Now, if I keep going down, this entire printout is spread out over 7 pages. And I don't want to print out 7 pages and hand out that many sheets. And also, when I look here at the last page, it's including a table that I don't even want to print out. So we're going to have to make some improvements to this before I can print it out. Let's go back to the main view and let's see what we could do. I'll click on this back button. Back now on the printing worksheet, because we went into the print preview, it added a dotted vertical line right here, and it's somewhat hard to see. But if I scroll down just a little bit more, here we see a horizontal dotted line. So what is that? Here, if I zoom out a little bit more, it's a little bit easier to see. And this marks where all of the page breaks are. Now remember, we had 7 pages that we were printing. This is page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's that page 7 with some additional information that we don't want to include in the printout. Here I could zoom in, and it looks like it's just some new cookie ideas. Now, I don't want to delete that, but I also don't want to include it on the printout. I'll zoom out again, pressing Control and moving my mouse wheel. One way to just print certain information is you could just highlight the information that you want to print. Here, I'll highlight all of this data, then I'll press Control P, and right here under Settings, we can set it to print only the selection. And you'll notice down here, we went down to 6 pages from 7 pages, and that additional table with the cookie ideas is no longer part of the printout.